Hi, this is Kiara from Pencil, and welcome to today's tutorial on how to access our 24/7 live chat support. So this can be accessed in both Pencil Spaces and Pencil Learning Management System. So to access it in Pencil Spaces, click the Help button at the top right-hand corner of your screen. Here, Pencil's 24/7 support screen will appear. You can send us a message. You can look at all your past conversations you've had with us. And you can search our Help Center for articles on any questions people have asked in the past. So if I want to look for an article on how to screen share, I'll just search screen share. And the corresponding article will pop up, and you can review it in your space. So to access our 24/7 live support chat in the Learning Management System, click the Help button at the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll have access to the same resources you have in Pencil Spaces. I hope you found today's tutorial helpful. If you have any further questions, please feel free to ask our support team.